Trying to get in there.
Wait, Mama. On YouTube, there's like this shorts thing where you can make videos like less than a minute.